my tiny runs, airdrop and playtor. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel. Okay, today I will share with you this Telegram game. This is not a bot. This is a game, no? Then play to earn. So start earning USDT daily just by playing. You can invite your friends to boost your earnings even more. So the mechanics of this game is not a tapping, but you have to plant, no? So just click this link, then I will put my link in the description. So this is this is my dashboard. I have already 23,022 token with 0.01 USDT. So like, okay, so it already grow. Then after the time allocated expire, we can harvest this, then another plant, no? So example, just click this, so you can select cabbage, then wait, then soybean. So I will select soybean. Okay, I will harvest. Okay, then plant again, soybean again, then harvest 24, then again, then click this earn more. So want to earn more USDT, join Piggy now. So this is an ad, no? So you can join this game, no? Then you can invite, then harvest. If you click this harvest, so accumulate 100 harvest cabbage in progress, then accumulate 140 wait to soybean 4, then the other is 0. So this is starting. Then reward. So claim insufficient, clean again center to progress on all the rewards, no? Then withdraw. So withdrawal amount 0.03 USDT, $1, no? Okay, you have to connect the Tone wallet, no? Okay, then phishing. So earn is daily phishing, fully automated process, bit is stored daily. So if I click confirm, I will play in phishing, no? Okay. Okay, so we have an ad partnership with OKX. Okay, confirm. So you have 2,109, 0.2. Another ads, Genuine, and confirm. Okay, stop. Okay, so 3,909. So back to the game, no? So manage. So farm level upgrade. So you can upgrade. So you have 24,000. So I will upgrade. Okay. Kitchen level. Okay. So you can click this. The numbers gives for you. Enjoy it. Open. Okay. So another ads, no? This is a farming game in the Telegram, not just a tapping game, no? Okay, claim. So you have 0.1 cash, so I will try to withdraw if I can. Then cook, so cook 600. Then warehouse, so you can select the crop or the dishes. So then task, so daily task 0.02 USDT. So join our Telegram channel, Telegram Premium, then retweet, share in my tiny runs. Okay, so I will click this, click. Then we try to withdraw. If please connect on wallet. Okay. Ton keeper. So we do the timers. Raise amount, certain tone, but need one invite friends to withdraw. Okay, so need to withdraw. Okay, so we can withdraw because it need friend now. Plan completed. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. Then I will put the link in my description so that you can do this farming in Telegram. This is a Telegram farming game, not just a tapping bot. So don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Thank you.